Today, I, Inika Jain of Class 8 ICSC, feel privileged to stand before you and talk about the Indian culture, heritage, and traditions. India is not just a land, it is a vibrant tapestry woven with the threads of traditions, customs, rituals, etc. Each of these has a deep-rooted significance, both logical and scientific. Unfortunately, while foreigners are often amazed by the richness of our culture, we ourselves fail to understand its essence and dismiss them as blind faith. Let me start by emphasizing the fact that every ritual in the Indian culture has a logical reasoning and a scientific merit. Take, for instance, the practice of touching elders' feet. This is not just a gesture of respect, but a scientific method of transferring positive energy. When we bow down, our energy fields aligns with those of the elders, making it a harmonious exchange of vibrations. Another instance, telling namaste to people. This is not just a gesture where we bring our hands together and convey respect, but this activates pressure points on our fingers that are believed to stimulate our mind and body. Another fascinating example is the application of turmeric in our Indian cuisine and rituals. The haldi ceremony in Indian weddings, where turmeric paste is applied to the bride and groom, makes sure that their skin is cleansed and glowing while also protecting them from infections. The tradition of fasting in Indian culture is often misunderstood as a mere religious obligation. However, fasting has significant health benefits. It allows the digestive system to rest, detoxifies the body, and also enhances mental clarity. Even our temples are marvels of science and logic. Temples are built at locations where Earth's magnetic fields are strong. The idol in the Sanctum Sanctorum is charged with these energies, and when devotees walk barefoot, chant mantras, and circumnavigate the deity, they absorb these positive energies, ensuring mental peace and physical well-being. Thousands have sought to comprehend the Indian culture, but its vastness makes it impossible to understand it fully in a day or two. Many scholars, scientists, and spiritual leaders for millennia have endeavored to study and interpret the richness of Indian traditions. Despite this wealth of knowledge and wisdom, it is disheartening to see how Indians themselves fail to appreciate the depth of their culture. Many of us dismiss these practices as outdated, superstitious, opening doors for foreigners to adopt, showcase, and sometimes even appropriate our traditions. Yoga, Ayurveda, and meditation, all gifts of Indian culture, are now being celebrated globally, but without due credit to their roots. It is high time we reconnect with our heritage. Understanding the logic and science behind our ritual will not only make us culturally strong, but also inspire us to take pride in our traditions. Let us remember that what we call blind faith is often a treasure trove of ancient wisdom meticulously crafted by our ancestors. As we move forward in a globalized world, on this 76th Republic Day, let us pledge to be the torchbearers of our heritage, ensuring that it is respected, protected, celebrated, and preserved for generations to come. Because only when we value our traditions can we expect the world to do so. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Wishing you all a happy Republic.